Hi.
Hello.
So I'm trying the new Infinite skincare from Forever. So what do we have? I'm using it for the first time, so I'm not familiar with that. We've got cleanser, then we have serum.
Phenomenal.
Then I'm here with aloe vera, by the way. Those are her products. Then we have a cream and collagen, but these are tablets, supplements. So let me see. Look at the way we open it. I need help. Oh, I think I just like this. Is it enough?
It should be enough, yes.
So it says, apply a generous amount onto wet fingers and gently work in a circular motion over the entire face. And rinse.
Yes.
Okay. That's step number 1. What's next?
Next
Serum.
is serum, yes.
Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin, gently massage into face and neck until absorbed for a more youthful look. Okay. Ready?
Yes, do 2 pumps.
Oh, it's clear. Different serum.
Very nice.
Different than before.
Goes in nicely, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. Smells nice. Okay. Yeah, it absorbs fast.
Fast, yes.
Okay, then we have cream. Apply 1 full pump and massage into face and neck at night after cleansing to help skin appear rejuvenated. I will do it in the morning. Wow, this serum, it's awesome.
Isn't it lovely?
It's like, it's pumping the skin. Okay, 1 pump, so
Yes.
basically we press. Oliver did press a little bit. Let me try it. Different.
Yeah.
I love the serum.
I love the serum too. It's very different. It's just better,
Wow,
isn't it?
it's different. No, the skin isn't oily. Ta-da! And now we have these supplements. Of course, I won't take them. Can I open?
Yeah, you can try, sure.
They look like this. And that's collagen. To reduce wrinkles, ladies. Okay, that's our new line, Infinite.